Today we're going to be looking at this 3-seat entertainment system. First of all, let's start off with our ports on the side here. An SD card, micro SD card reader, a HDMI port, a USB type A port, a headphone jack, and a power input jack as well for the cigarette lighter socket. Now moving to the front, you'll see there is a colored light for the ambiance down the bottom there, and that can be very easily adjusted right here. Yep, to suit your mood or to suit the thing, or it can be turned off if you want to do it at night. Next option here is the FM broadcaster. We can turn that on and off. Volume and brightness. Well, key feature of this unit is that it's actually running an actual Bluetooth system inside of it, which means you can connect it up to any Bluetooth enabled speaker, headphones, anything you like. Right now I've got it running through this little speaker, and while I'm running it, I'm also charging it off the unit. Otherwise, you can always use the built-in USB or the SD card for more storage. As you can see, the video is superb. Being a full tablet, essentially, you have things like YouTube, Netflix, which you can add on. You got Play Store, which means you can come and install anything you like on here. Pretty much. If you want to put Stan, Channel 9, Channel 10, whatever you like is on there. That icon there will get you to your HDMI in. Let's have a look at Netflix quick.
It was a lie. You want the truth? The world,
Okay, so we'll just get out of that. Now, let's say you want to do a little bit of YouTube icon right there.
First
and as you can see,
in a Ghibli.
Yeah, which is pretty
there you
awesome.
go. My
This
last
thing is
video is
gonna refresh
continuing
for
to play here.
2021, so I should probably,
So let's go full screen on that. Let's look at Tesla. Out of YouTube. Now you can probably play some basic games on here as well if you'd like, but keep them to very basic ones like Bounce and Pop, for example. Keeping the kids entertained, whatever it may be. You got some options here now. Yay, I've passed the level. Look at that. Oh, I only got 216 coins. Alright, so as you can see, it's a wonderful little unit. Perfect for your day to day. Keeping the kids entertained, long drives, camping, whatever it may be. Have a good one. Bye.